for lunch?
I see a double duty lunch ready to unfold, and we are going to be part of it.
Hey there.
Hi.
Visiting or inhabitants of New York?
Visiting.
My name is Amy. What's
Hi,
your
Amy.
name?
I'm Tim.
Tim and?
Maria.
Are you guys breaking out lunch?
We're about to.
Can I join you?
Sure.
This requires taking off the gloves, Marie.
Reese's.
Tim.
Yeah, they're presents
They're-
for people back in Australia.
You must love a lot of people, Tim.
It's to deliver.
Okay, Tim, I am going
But
to
I
help
am-
you and Marie out today.
Okay, great.
Okay, so, Tim, what were you planning on having for lunch?
I was tossing up between a hamburger or a nutritional hot dog.
What were you going to put on your dog?
Ketchup, mustard, onions, cheese.
Okay, Tim, do you work
Yeah.
out, Tim?
I run.
You run? Did you run today?
No, I ran yesterday.
Do you expect yesterday's run to counterbalance with today's eating experience?
Yeah. It all helps, surely.
Marie, do you support his dog habit?
Yes.
Are you going to have a dog too? Well, let me just suggest that I was planning on giving this out to a lot of people.
Right.
Tim, you're getting the whole
Oh,
friggin'
man,
bag.
really?
Because really, we need to counterbalance this very, very poor attitude about nutrition.
No, there's been
Okay.
some lettuce and some Cobb salads,
And Cobb salads,
Chopped
that's
salads.
good. Okay, I like that.
but mainly burgers.
So Tim, just a thought, putting it in perspective with a basic balanced diet plan most of the time, these eating orgies that extend for long periods of time,
Yes.
we never quite combat them in the end. So I would say, in addition to the carrots,
Oh, fantastic.
so let's see what Marie, just for you.
Thank you.
I would like to suggest maybe a yogurt parfait for lunch.
Ooh,
Yes?
does sound fancy.
Maybe some layers of yogurt and berries and nuts, and maybe we could also put a banana on top.
Oh, fantastic.
Yes?
Oh, that's lovely.
And I'm hoping that in addition to this sedentary
Wow.
experience,
Yes.
before you go
Yes.
off and have your burger,
Yes.
maybe you'll consider going for a run this afternoon as well.
Absolutely.
I'm not sure that I can get out of here gracefully, but I'm gonna try. You guys were great sports.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Thanks,
and
Amy.